Now, you have 30 seconds to choose your sprite, okay? Your
Already
character.
did it.
Already? Okay, perfect. Let's see. Oh, I think, so there are many. There are animals, there are people, some fantasy stuff, like a goblin, figure, ghost. Oh, that ghost. A sport as well. If maybe you want the character to be a soccer ball, yeah, you can do it, okay? Or maybe food, but I think better animals, people, or fantasy. I remember the other day I saw this hippo. Okay, so now we have two. Yeah, we have two. But no, we're just going to use one. Use one. Let me see here. I'm going to I'm going to yes. I'm going to enable the microphone from the ones that have the cameras off. For instance, Lucy. Luciana has experience with this. John. Okay, let's see. Maybe John also wants to participate. We have there Juan Felipe. I guess Juan Felipe is also using the computer. Okay. Okay, kids. Maybe Ian wants to participate too. Yeah.
Teacher, es que el juego no me carga.
It doesn't load?
Es que yo estoy usando el computador. ¿Por qué no traje computador? Es que estoy de visita.
Oh, so what are you using? Are you using the tablet? Yes. Oh, you need to install it. The phone. Oh, in the phone is very difficult. It's better to have a computer, Juan Felipe. Yes, for this. Okay.
Mamá, que solo computador.
Yeah, for the moment, just in the computer, because if not, it will be too hard to program. Okay, kids. So we have the character, yeah? But we only need one hero for our video game. That means we need to delete the cat. Who knows how to delete the cat? Maybe Ethan, maybe Luciana, maybe John. How can we delete?
I know.
Do you know? How can we do it?
There are two ways. The first one is go to the cat, touching sprite one.
Sprite one, okay.
And touch the trash can. And the second way is just touching the backspace. The backspace.
The backspace. The backspace key on the keyboard. Yeah, here. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. I don't think so. Yep. Okay, perfect. So I think the easiest way for us is just to click here on the trash can. So we select a sprite one, which is the cat. And then, guys, we click on the trash can. And then we say yes. Okay, so we need to delete the cat. Okay. That's the next instruction, guys. Please delete the cat. Okay, and then you say yes. And the cat is gone. Okay, did you do it? Okay, perfect.
Yes, I eliminate the cat.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so now you have your hero for the video game, yes? And there is something cool we can do about this, and is we can change the size. Look, so maybe the size says 100, or maybe you can put the size to 1000. And look what happens, it's extremely big. So maybe I need to make it smaller, maybe 50. Oh, look at him. He looks so cute. Yeah, or maybe a little bit bigger because it's too small. Or maybe you want it to double the size. Yeah. Don't make it too big because it won't fit in the screen. Okay, just change the size a little. Okay, change the size here. Go. Okay. Wonderful. So we changed the size. Now, guys, the next step is we need to put it in the initial position. Okay. So look, when you use the cursor of the mouse, you can touch it and drag the character. Yes. To any position. Move it and put it in the position that you want to be the start position. Yes. Because this is where the hero is going to start. So I'm going to put it here. Yes. This is my start position over there. As it's a hippo with wings, it's flying, I don't know, across the world, but there it is. Okay. So select the start position.
malvada.
All right, then we're going to close your mic. Okay, so put it in the start position. Yep. Okay, guys, we're good? Okay. Yes, we did it. Some reactions, thumbs up.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Oh, okay, perfect, perfect. Now, guys, we need to add a backdrop. Yes, a backdrop. Remember, the backdrops are here. So we need to choose a backdrop. Okay, this is the next step. Choose a backdrop. Okay. Now choose a backdrop. Remember, the idea is that the backdrop, in a way, is related to what the character is about. Okay, there are many backdrops here. So my character is a hippo that is flying. Maybe I can use. So we have 30 seconds to select it. Come on, 30 seconds. So we gotta do it fast. Oh my god. It's too hard. I think I'm going to select the nebula. Ooh, there it is. Okay, so now we have the character, which is the hero, and the backdrop. Yes? Send some screenshots, guys, see you have it in the chat. Okay, this is how mine looks like. I would like to see yours, guys. Okay, so if you want, you can share a screenshot like I did in the chat. So far, we only have the hero and the backdrop. Yeah, that's it, nothing more. So you can share in the chat some screenshots to show what you have. Oh, Pierre, David. Okay, Pierre, I'm going to also active your microphone in case you would like to participate. Guys, if you want to participate, turn the cameras on so that I can allow you the microphone, yeah? Okay. Andrea, for instance. There this, okay. Very nice. I'm going to allow your microphone too. So guys, did you do it? Yeah? Did you add the hero and the backdrop? Yes or nay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right.
I have experience with Scratch because I program 5 video games with Scratch.
Oh, great. That's great, Andrea. Wonderful.
I did video
So-
games with the Scratch too, but it's been like 4 or 5 years maybe since the last
4
time
or
I
5
did.
years.
Me too.
Oh, okay. So it's been a long time. It's been a long time.
But I did a lot in the time.
Okay, perfect. So I have one here. Okay, yes, guys, you share there in the chat. So John, I'm going to show them here to the others so that you guys can also see them. Remember, the chat is really cool because we can interact here, show the progress. And if you want me to allow you the microphone, you gotta open the cameras. Let me see, I'm going to share this so that we can see. So look, John added this beautiful, I think this is a dragon going to this place.
Yeah,
Excellent. Here we have Vanessa. She added the flying cat, and this is like, I don't know, something interstellar. Nice. Then we have Miguel. And I don't know what character is it, an ogre maybe, and they're out there in the woods, like not the woods, like in the garden. Perfect. Okay, kids, so let's continue. I'm going to share again my video. Okay, perfect. So there we are. Now we need to make it move. Yes, I want that my character moves in 4 directions. Yes, I want it to move up, down, to the right, and to the left. But how do I want to make it move? I want to make it move pressing the arrow keys. Yes, pressing the arrow keys. So it's very important that we follow some instructions. But I want to ask you guys, do you know how to do it? Because some of you already have experience with this. Yes? Maybe Andrea or David, do you know how to do it? Isaac, yeah? No?
No.
Okay, some
I know.
are there saying in the chat that no. Nico is saying no. Okay. It's actually very simple, kids. I'm going to, maybe you remember how to do it. If you know how to do it, do it. And then share a screenshot of the blocks in the chat. Yes, but I will explain to the others. So for making this hero move, we need to find some very specific blocks. Okay.
Move 10 steps.
Maybe, yeah, move 10 steps. But well, I can do it in that way, or I'm going to share the entire screen so that you see something, kids. Look, so my character is starting here. So we're going to learn a little bit of math. Do you like math? Math is really cool.
Yeah, but I don't. It's so boring.
It's boring. Well, in video games, we actually use a lot of math.
Yeah, for
And this
coding.
is why, yeah, for coding. So look, guys. Oh, wait a minute. So let's say, oh, it's not working. Okay, now it's working. So why is this not working? It's not letting me write anything. Jesus. Yep, it's not working. Wait a minute. If I turn it right, should okay, yeah. Oh, nice. Turn it right.
Teacher.
Yes.
What happened if you put in customs?
In customs.
In custom. Se me olvidó la palabra.
The change el custom del disfraz.
Go for draw and that you can function.
Okay. I can make it function. But I want to show you something here. Wait. But thank you, David. I will try that later. Yes, of course. So look, guys, I want to show you something here. So when we in math, we have something called the Cartesian plane. Yes, do you recognize this? The Cartesian plane. And we have two axes, a vertical axis and a horizontal axis. Who can tell me what is the name of the vertical axis? The vertical axis in the Cartesian plane.
X and Y.
So we have X and Y, but is X the vertical or the horizontal axis?
I was about to not say that.
So we have X and we have Y. Yeah. Guys, look here. Look here.
The horizontal.
Exactly. Yes. X is horizontal. Y is vertical. Look in here, guys. Look down here. You see them? X, horizontal. And then we have Y, vertical. Okay? Do you see that where you have your character is showing a coordinate? For each one of your characters, the coordinate is different. Yeah? But what we want to do is that when we press, so this is the steps. When we press the right arrow, we are going to change what? What axis are we going to change? Are we going to change are we going to move when I press the right key, the right arrow key, are we going to move horizontally or vertically? What do you think? So this has some math. Come on, kids. If I want to move to the right, I'm moving in a horizontal way or vertical way? Horizontal, exactly. So if we want to move to the right, I need to move in the x axis. Yes, x axis. Where is this? So if I want to move to the if we want to move to the right, it needs to be positive. Okay, in the positive. If I want to move to the left, I need to move on the other direction. Yes, which is minus x. Okay, left is minus x. Okay, something like this. Left is negative. Okay. Now, if I want to move up, I move in the axis y, but what do you think? Positive or negative? If I want to move up.
Neutral.
Positive. That's right. No, there is no neutral in the Cartesian plane. It's either positive or negative. Okay, exactly. So y positive means up, meaning, guys, that y negative is what? Down. Okay. So this is all the math that is behind the movements of the characters in the stage. Okay, there I send the screenshot in the chat so that you can have it. Yeah, here it is, look. So you can move up, down, left or right, but you need to take into account if y or x is positive or negative. Yes, so now we're going to do that so that we can at least make it move. Yes, so remember, at the beginning, I told you that we needed to locate the green flag. The idea is that when I touch the green flag, my character always starts in the start position. Yes? So guys, we are going to do this. Remember that this is the block palette. And here we have different thingies that we can explore, different categories. So it's very simple, kids. Look, we are going to go and select the first two blocks, okay? We need to select, where is it? Here. This is the start position, yes? So select this one. Oh, I hear some music there. Guys, remember to mute the mics. Thank you. Okay, so again, I will do it again. Motion. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Yes, motion, the blue block. And we're going to select go to X, Y. What position is this? This is your start position. It's different from mine, but if you want to make it the same, it's fine. Okay, so you do this. This is the first one. Okay, you go here and you select it and put it like this. Okay, this is the first one. All right, did you do it? There we go. The second is we need to go to events. Yes, events. And well, what block do you think we need to select here, guys?
When the green flag click.
Exactly. We need to select this one and we need to snap it or put it together. We go to X. Yeah. So that's the second one. Remember, events, and then you select when green flag clicked, this direction. Yeah. So please do it and put it there. So these are our two first blocks. And this is what happens. If I put my hero anywhere in the screen, it doesn't. I can click the green flag and it's always going to return to the initial point. Okay? You see? It's really cool. Okay. So now we have secured the initial place. But now we need to make it move. Yes? So that when I press the arrow keys, it moves up, down, left or right. John did it. Great, John. Excellent. Okay. We need to go back to motion. You learned that in math, but you're not good at it. Okay, it's completely fine. Here we put in practice math. Actually, programming has, especially programming video games, it has many relations with math. So it's actually really important to understand these concepts. But if you don't understand them in the class math, here in tech class, we actually review some of them a little bit. When you actually change your character here, you're going to see that the coordinates in X and Y change. Look, yeah. Maybe you can find the 0, 0, which I think is around here. Look, I don't know, it's hard to find. But if you change it here, 0, 0 is going to go to the middle of the screen. Yeah. So you can move it here, or here. But if I press the green flag, it's going to always take me there. It's like a perimeter. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay. Perfect, kids. So we have it. We need to make it move. How do we make it move? I would like to see. What do you think? We can go to motion. Oh, this thing is very non. Okay. We can go to motion. What do we need to do? We need to do something.
You can put move 10 steps to the hippo move.
When the hippo moves, exactly. But something needs to happen before the hippo moves 10 steps, right? So What does it need to happen? I need to press the key, yeah? This is the trigger, the event that is going to make the hippo move. So I need to connect that when I press the key, the hippo is going to move, okay? So I think it's here in events, okay? In the event. What do we need to do in the event? We need to do this. Select when a space key pressed. And you're going to change it. You can select, we're going to program first, going to the right, okay? So in my case, I'm going to choose when the right arrow key is pressed. Okay, remember this is here. Right arrow. So you change it here. Look. Once again, you go to events, yeah, and you select this one and you put it over there. Remember that you need to drag them. Yes. It's very simple, kids. In the events, when the right arrow key is pressed, and then I do what you guys said. When it is pressed, I can say, hey, move 10 steps, but wait. We need to make it move. Remember, guys, what we just learned? We need to make it move. Look, we need to make it move to the right. And to the right, X is positive. Yeah, this is what we learned. So I need to change X by 10. By 10 steps positive, okay? And this is what happens, look. It moves 10 steps to the right, yeah? So please try it. Once again, remember that we need to make the hero move in different directions. But we learned that we can make it move to the up. We can make it move up, down, left, and right. But they have some coordinates they need to follow. Yeah, look. Just always remember this. If I want to move to the right, it means I need to change X in a positive number. Yeah, if I want to move left, I need to change X in a negative number. Yeah, this is what we did. Okay, so this is right. If I want to make the left, it's very simple, guys. Just duplicate the block. Change the arrow. Yeah, you change the arrow to left, and instead of a positive number, you put a negative number. And that's it, look. It's moving 10 steps to the right. It's moving 10 steps to the left. Yes, very simple, kids. Okay, please do it. Please do it. It's easy to understand, yes? I think yes. Try it, please. Try it. Is testing. Okay, thank you, John. Ready. Nico is ready. Perfect. Now, guys, what do you think we need to do if we want to make it move down and up? Now it moves to the right and to the left. But if I want it to move up or down, do you think we need to use the same? Change X or what? Change X or remember that here and what we learned, it's over here. If I want to make it move up, I need to change Y in a positive number. If I want to make it move down, I need to change y in a negative number. Yeah, that's it. Nothing more. So it's the same. You can duplicate this, or better. You go to events, select up arrow, and you say, hey, when the up arrow key is pressed, I want you to change y by 10, and it moves up. You do the same. You duplicate this, and you change it to the down arrow, and you change it by a negative number, by -10. And then, guys, we have the movement. You see? Please try it. Please try it. But this is basically all the coding that we have done so far. Okay? It's all there. Now we're missing programming something else. But yeah, we're almost there. Okay? This is the coding part that you can try. For jump, oh, well, jumping is another type of programming in video games, because jumping is like a platformer video game type of stuff. The video game that we are creating today is more like a maze video game. Did you guys know Pac-Man? Pac-Man is a video game like this. You have the character, and the character moves in the direction that you point, right? So this is more like a Pac-Man video game where you're going to grab objects. Yeah? All right, perfect. Jump here. Okay, perfect. So guys, did you do it? Yes. It's super easy. Now, guys, that it moves, we need to do something else. The hero needs to grab an object. Okay, so we are going to grab the object. So again, we're going to choose a sprite, and you're going to choose the object that the hero is going to collect. Okay, so here I suggested you select some food. Choose the object. Oh. Choose the object the hero is going to collect. Okay. So my hippo is flying in the space. Maybe she's flying. Oh, there are instrumental musics. It's fantasy. Animals. Okay, so let's make it simple. It's going to grab some strawberries. There it is. Remember that you can change the size of it. Yeah, change it so that it's not too big. Okay. And you can also put it like in any place that you want. Okay, I'm going to put it over here. Yes. Did you select, guys, the object? Yeah. Yes. Maybe, maybe not. Going to give you 30 seconds. We need to select the object. Maybe I can change. Oh, look at this. The strawberry has some animations, but I honestly think I can just leave it like this. Okay. So my hippo is going to grab this strawberry. Yeah. He loves strawberries. We need to make it work. What do we need to do? Guys, what do you think? How can we make the hippo that when the hippo touches the strawberry disappears and the hippo gets bigger because it ate. Yes. It's simple, guys. Now that we have this, let's think. When the hippo actually comes in this direction, first, the hippo is going to touch the strawberry. And the strawberry needs to disappear, and the hippo needs to increase the size. Yes? How can we do it? Well, here, there is a block in the block palette called sensing. Yes? So here we have many things. But we need to check it. For instance, we need to select in the control, we're going to use 3 different types of blocks. We're going to use, again, when green flag clicked, okay? When green flag clicked, events, then in control, guys, I'm going to select this forever. Yeah. Why? Because this needs to happen every time. And then I need to click if then. Yes. If then. What is going to happen? If the hippo eats or touches the strawberry, those are the conditions. Yeah. So remember, we go to sensing. And here in sensing, we have, look, this. So we drag it and put it inside. Okay, look. If the hippo is touching the strawberry, we need to select it. What's going to happen? Well, I need to hide the strawberry. Yes, I need to hide the strawberry. And I need to increase the size. Oh, but if we want to do this, this needs to be done here so that it can disappear. Okay. So I want to, so guys, did you do this? Yes? You have it? No? Let's do it, kids. Remember, in events, we select when clicked. Okay? In control, you select forever. And if then, yes? And then in sensing, you put is touching mouse pointer and then, or is touching the object that the hero is going to collect. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So what do you think is the next step, kids? What's the next one? What can we do? We need to, we said that after this condition, there comes an action. Yes? So we said the strawberry disappears and the hero increases the size. So in loop, we can do this. We can select in loops. We can select change the size of the main character of this hippo. So you can change the size by 10, or you can set the size to a specific percentage. So I'm going to set the size to maybe 80%. Yeah. So you can actually do whatever. You can put another costume also. Yes. Change the color. So let's try the first part. if I go and touch it, it should increase. Oh, it increased the size. But the strawberry didn't disappear. I'm going to change the size to a bigger number. Got bigger. Okay. So 70%. There it is. Yes. If it's touching the strawberry, it's going to change the size to 90%. Now, if we want to make the strawberry disappear, we need to drag this or copy this. You can right click or just right click, duplicate, and drag it to the strawberry, and there it will be. Yeah? So you can do this. You can select the blocks and move it and hover over the strawberry, and it will be there. Okay, like this. Now, in this part, in the strawberry, you need to say when it's touching the hippo, what you need to do in loops. Well, you need to hide. Yes. And of course, you need to show when the green flag is clicked. Okay, this is the part that you need to put in the strawberry. Okay. So I'm going to put it there because we're almost at the end, kids. Okay, so it should work like this. Here is the hippo. I touch the green flag. La 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 la. The hippo is moving. And here is the strawberry. When I touch the strawberry should disappear and the hippo should be bigger. Yeah, it worked. Yes. So please try it, guys. Try it and let me know if it worked. Okay. So, of course, when we are in the technology class in middle school, we make more advanced projects. We, for instance, the other day created a project of orange that was trying to rescue its family from an orange juice maker, and it was super fun. But we can add like several stuff to this. Yes, for instance, I want to show you another one. Look, we can make really more advanced video games, for instance. Look at this one. It has a maze in the character moves. It has a score. There is sound as well. And the score changes when I eat one of the items. The idea is that by the end, you're able to do something like this, but we do this in tech class, in technology junior school, in middle school. Okay, kids? So tell me, did you do it? Yes? Did it work? Do you want to share some screenshots or share the screen to let me know? Yes? No? Maybe? Okay, it worked. Okay. So I'm going to give the word to Miguel. Miguel has something to tell to you. It worked to you? Great. Great, great. John, excellent, excellent. So Miguel has something to say to us. Nice. Miguel, go ahead.
Thank you, teacher. Olá, chicos. Oi, como estão? Tudo bem com vocês? Tudo bem con los chicos de Colombia, de Ecuador, de Costa Rica que nos están viendo en este momento? Espero que sí. Espero que les haya gustado mucho esta clase que teacher Jessie les preparou com muito carinho. Espero que vocês tenham gostado dessa aula que a professora Jessie les preparou com bastante carinho, com bastante amor. Esta es una demostración de cómo es un día de clases aquí en Genuine School. Ustedes pueden ver que es una clase muy divertida, muy dinámica, donde todos pueden participar, interactuar, aprender juntos, entre amigos, y con mucho dinamismo, ¿no? Caso ustedes tengan voluntad de saber más acerca de nuestro colegio, hablen con sus papás, con sus familias, los papás que nos están viendo también en este momento. Va a llegarles un link en el grupo de WhatsApp donde estaba organizando esta clase, donde podrá hablar con algún asesor, conocer más del colegio, tener una demostración también, un Open Day para conocer detalles de horario de clase, precios, materias, asignaturas que van a ver. Para as famílias do Brasil que nos estão vendo nesse momento, caso vocês tenham interesse em conhecer mais sobre a nossa escola também, no grupo do WhatsApp, onde estava sendo organizada esta aula, vai chegar para vocês um link para que vocês possam falar com algum assessor do colégio, conhecer mais sobre a gente, sobre horários de aula, preços, matérias, currículo. Podemos agendar uma reunião também, um Open Day com vocês, para que vocês possam conhecer mais detalhes e talvez se interessar em realizar a matrícula para o ano de 2026. É importante saber que a gente tem uma super promoção exclusiva para esse mês de dezembro, que vai até o dia 18 de dezembro, com descontos na matrículas. Então, seria muito interessante que vocês pudessem aí falar com dos nossos assessores para receber mais informações, tá bom? Y chicos, es importante saber que en este mes de diciembre hasta el día 18 tenemos una super promoción con descuentos en la matrícula, entonces para el año de 2026, así que aprovechen esos últimos días de diciembre para hablar con sus papás, con sus familias y tomar esta decisión que será muy importante y estoy seguro que les va a gustar mucho saber más de nuestro colegio, ¿vale? Muchas gracias por su tiempo aquí hoy en esta sesión. Muito obrigado a todos que participaram aqui com a gente. Tenham um bom dia. Buenos dias a todos.
Buen día, chicos. Chao, chao. I hope to see you
Bye.
around, kids. Espero verlos. Chao.
Bye.
Ciao. Bye, John. Bye, Luciana. Bye, Ian. Thank you. Thank you guys for coming. Take care. Bye.